Hello, welcome to my channel Deluxe Cars, where I explain different luxury cars, supercars, their features, their interior and exterior design, with 0 to 100 km per hour, 62 miles per hour, in 8.0 seconds, a maximum top speed of 120 miles per hour, 193 km per hour, a curb weight of 3,415 pounds, 1549 kgs. The Sportage 2022 1.6 TGDI hybrid has a turbocharged inline 4-cylinder engine, hybrid, petrol motor. This engine produces a maximum power of 180 PS, 178 bhp 132 kilowatts, at 5,500 revolutions per minute and a maximum torque of 265 Nm, 195 pound-ft, at 1,500 revolutions per minute. The power is transmitted to the road by the front-wheel drive, forward, with a 6-speed automatic gearbox. On the topic of chassis details responsible for road holding, handling behavior and ride comfort, the Sportage 2022 has independent McPherson. Coil springs, anti-roll bar, front suspension and multi-link. Coil springs, anti-roll bar, rear suspension. Stock tire sizes are 215/65 on 17-inch rims at the front, and 215/65 on 17-inch rims at the rear. For stopping power, the Sportage 2022 1.6 T